Data scientist. Here you go. Same structured format for data scientist. Data scientist in artificial intelligence. Beginner means advanced data and analytics career role. Introduction. In today's world, massive amounts of data are generated every second. Organizations need professionals who can analyze data, extract insights, support decision making. This is where data scientists come in. They turn raw data into meaningful insights, predictions, business value. What is a data scientist? A data scientist is a professional who analyzes data to extract insights and build predictive models. In simple terms, data scientist equals person who turns data into insights and predictions. Example concept. Raw data means analysis means insights means decisions. Why data scientists are important? Data scientists are important because they help organizations make data-driven decisions, uncover hidden patterns, improve business strategies, enable predictive analytics. Without data scientists, data means unused means no value. Key responsibilities. 1. Data collection. Gather data from sources. 2. Data cleaning. Pre-process and clean data. 3. Data analysis. Explore and understand data. 4. Model building. Create predictive models. 5. Visualization. Present insights. 6. Communication. Explain results to stakeholders. Skills required. Programming. Python. R. Libraries and tools. Pandas. NumPy. Matplotlib. Scikit-learn. Concepts. Statistics. Data analysis. Machine learning. Mathematics. Probability. Linear algebra. Tools. SQL. Excel. Data science workflow. Workflow. Collect data. Down pointing arrow. Clean data. Down pointing arrow. Analyze data. Down pointing arrow. Build model. Down pointing arrow. Visualize results. Down pointing arrow. Communicate insights. Example. Conceptual. Def analyze underscore data. Data. Return insights from data. Print. Analyze underscore data. Dataset. Key technologies used. 1. Data analysis. Explore datasets. 2. Machine learning. Predictive modeling. 3. Data visualization. Charts and dashboards. 4. Big data tools. Spark. Hadoop. 5. SQL. Database queries. Real-world applications. Business. Sales forecasting. Finance. Risk analysis. Healthcare. Patient data analysis. Marketing. Customer insights. E-commerce. Recommendation systems. Advantages of this career. Advantages include high demand, strong salary, versatile role, impactful decisions, global opportunities. Example concept. Data scientist means data-driven decisions. Challenges. Challenges include messy data, data quality issues, communication complexity, model interpretability, rapidly changing tools. Career path. Entry level. Statistics. Python. Intermediate. ML models. Projects. Advanced. Specialization. Leadership roles. Data scientist versus ML engineer. Data scientist focuses on analysis and insights. ML engineer focuses on deployment, comparison. Data scientist means insights. ML engineer means production. Best practices. Clean data thoroughly. Improve accuracy. Use visualization. Communicate insights. Validate models. Ensure reliability. Focus on business value. Practical impact. Stay updated. Learn new tools. Future of data scientists. Future trends include automated analytics, AI-driven insights, real-time data processing, integration with AI systems, increased demand across industries. Example concept. Future means smarter data-driven systems. Concepts learned from this role. Understanding this role helps learners understand. Checkmark how data is analyzed. Checkmark how insights are generated. Checkmark how ML models are used. Checkmark how businesses use data. Checkmark how to build a data career. Simple definition. Data scientist. A professional who analyzes data to extract insights and build predictive models. Final summary. A data scientist plays a crucial role in transforming data into actionable insights. They combine statistics, programming, machine learning. This role is essential for decision-making, business strategy, data-driven innovation,